Now that we have configured our connection, we need to make sure the routers and devices have the appropriate addresses and that the control programs have been downloaded to the control modules. Let's go to the download page on the configuration tree. Typically, when a system is created or modified, the affected modules that require downloads automatically appear in the download items list. However, in this case they don't, so I'll show you how to add the devices to that list. The first device or devices that you will want to download will be the BACnet routers. From the system tree on the right side of the page, expand the tree to locate the router that you are currently connected to. Select it. Make sure that at least memory and BBMD is checked. And then select the Add button to add that router to the download items list. Verify that the router is highlighted in the download items list, and then select the Download Selected Items button. The download should start. The current status can be seen at the bottom of the screen. Once the download is complete, a dialog box will appear. If successful, you can close the dialog box and continue with other downloads. If not successful, an error dialog box appears. Let's select a router on a different ArcNet to show you a failure dialog box. If you receive an error dialog box, you can click on the line item for additional details about the failure. If a specific cause for failure is given, then correct the problem and download the module again. If the error tells you the module failed to communicate, see Troubleshooting in the Advanced Topics for how to proceed. Once the router has downloaded successfully, then select the control modules on the router's ArcNet network. Verify that memory is selected, then add the module to the download items list. After all modules have been added, then you can execute the download. As before, any errors will be indicated in a dialog box. If you have additional routers and ArcNet networks in this system, you will have to connect your crossover cable to another router and repeat this process. Once your IP network is complete, you will be able to complete all downloads without having to move cables.